Today we are going to learn about the number system. In early days, when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. These methods were not adequate and had many limitations. Many number systems were introduced with the passage of time, like the decimal number system, the binary number system, the octal number system, and the hexadecimal number system.
Students know the fact that Aryabhat was India's greatest mathematician and astronomer. He introduced the concept of zero, without which modern computer technology would have been non-existent.
Okay, so first let us start with the decimal number system. The need for counting has paved the path to introduce decimal number system in which 0, 1, 2, 3, 9 are used to form any number. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with decimal numbers. It consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9 with the base 10. Okay, let us quickly learn about the base or radix. The base of the number system is the number of digits used in it. For example, since the decimal number system uses 10 digits, its base is 10. Each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form a numeric value. Example 82 minus 256, 52.87, etc. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following: the face value of the digits, the base of the number system, the position of the digit in the number. For example, the number 547 can be understood in powers of its base by 7 into 10 to the power 0 in its units place gives us 7. 4 into 10 to the power 1 in tens place is 40. And 5 into 10 to the power 2 in hundreds place is 500. When we add this up, we get a total of 547.
Observation: the positional value of each digit increases tenfolds as we move from right to left. In the above mentioned example, 5, 4 and 7 are the face values of digits and their place values are hundreds, tens and units respectively.
The face value depends on the position of the digit in the number.
Students, now let's recall that which number system do we use.
Let us find out about the binary number system.
The binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1.
Since this system uses two digits, it has the base 2. All digital computers use this number system and convert the data input from the decimal format into its binary equivalent.
Students, do you know who she is? She is Gottfried Leibniz. A German mathematician is credited with the invention of the modern binary number system.
Now students, why should we use binary?
A computer cannot understand human language. The data which is entered into a computer is converted into binary form because the computer understands only binary code.
It further converts the binary results into their decimal equivalents for output.
Now let's learn how to convert decimal number into binary number system.
The equivalence between binary and decimal numbers can be understood with the given examples.
To convert a decimal number into a binary number, follow the given rules.
Divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. Let us understand the conversion of decimal number into binary number with the given examples.
Example 1. When we divide 25 by 2, we get quotient 12 and remainder 1. Dividing 12 by 2, we get quotient 6 and 0 remainder. Dividing 6 by 2 gives us quotient 3 and 0 remainder. We keep on dividing till we get quotient 0. Thus, 25 in decimal can be written as 1, 1001 in binary. The base of number is given as subscript.
Remainders which are obtained in each step are written in reverse order to form the binary equivalent of a decimal number.
Example 2. Dividing 321 by 2 gives us quotient 160 and remainder 1. Dividing 160 by 2 gives us quotient 80 and remainder 0. So we keep on dividing till we get quotient 0. So 321 in decimal is written as 1010000001 in binary.
Now we shall learn how to convert from binary number to decimal number.
To convert a binary number into decimal number, follow the given steps. Multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of powers of 2, starting from the extreme right digit.
Increase the power one by one, keeping the base fixed as 2. Sum up all products to get the decimal number.
Example 1. Convert 1010 in binary to decimal. In the units place we have 0, so 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 0 gives us 0. In the tens place we have 1, so 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 gives us 2. In the hundreds place we have 0, so 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 gives us 0. And in the thousandth place we get 8. Adding the decimals we get 10. Thus 101 in binary can be written as 10 in decimal.
Example 2. Convert 1001 in binary to decimal. From the units place we get 1. From the tens place we get 0. From the hundreds place we get another 0. And from the thousands place we get 8. Thus, 1001 in binary can be written as 9 in decimal.
Example 3. Convert 1100010001 in binary to decimal. 1 into 2 raised to power 8 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 7 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0, which is equal to 256 plus 128 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. That is equal to 393. Thus, 1100010001 in binary can be written as 393 in decimal.
Okay, let us learn about the octal number system. The octal number system oct consists of 8 digits 0 to 7 with the base 8. The concept of octal number system came from the Native Americans, as they used to count numbers by using the space between their fingers rather than by using their fingers. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. The only difference is the change of base. To convert an octal number to decimal number, start multiplying the digits of the number from the right-hand side with increasing power of 8, starting from 0, and finally calculating the sum of all the products. Example 1. 345 base 8, 3 into 8 raised to power 2 plus 4 into 8 raised to power 1 plus 5 into 8 raised to power 0. 192 plus 32 plus 5, thus 345 base 8 equals to 229 base 10. Example 2. 317 base 8, 3 into 8 raised to power 2 plus 1 into 8 raised to power 1 plus 7 into 8 raised to power 0. 192 plus 8 plus 7. Thus, 317 base 8 equals to 207 base 10. Students, can you tell me that which number system has 8 as its base? Hexadecimal number system. This number system consists of 16 digits, numbers 0 to 9, and the letters A to F, where A to F represent decimal numbers from 10 to 15. That means A is equivalent to 10, B is equivalent to 11, C refers to 12, and so on. The base of this number system is 16. This number system is also known as hex. The procedure of converting hexadecimal to decimal is similar to the method shown in the previous pages, with the only difference being the change of base. To convert a hexadecimal number to decimal, multiply the numbers starting from the right-hand side with increasing power of 16, starting from 0, and then calculating the sum of all the products.
Example 1. 3b base 16. 3 into 16 raised to power 1 plus 11 into 16 raised to power 0. 48 plus 11. Thus, 3b base 16 equals to 59 base 10. Example 2. 4d2 base 16. 4 into 16 raised to power 2 plus 13 into 16 raised to power 1 plus 2 into 16 raised to power 0. 1024 plus 208 plus 2. Thus, 4d2 base 16 equals to 1234 base 10. Students, can you tell me that how will you find whether a number is represented in decimal, binary, octal or hexadecimal system?
Let us now find out what computer arithmetic is.
As a computer understands only binary code, the data given by the user is converted into binary code for processing.
This processing may involve various kinds of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on binary numbers. Now let us find out how binary addition takes place. The technique used to add binary numbers inside the computer is very easy and simple. This is performed in the same way as you perform addition with decimal numbers. The following table illustrates the addition of two binary digits. A plus B gives C. 0 plus 0 gives 0. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. 1 plus 0 gives 1. And 1 plus 1 will give 1, 0.
Students, now let me share a tip with you. While adding 1 plus 1, the output will be 10, where 0 is written under the same column and carry over 1 is shifted to the next place as it happens in decimal number addition. Example 1. Compute binary 1000 plus binary 111. 1000 plus 1110. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. And 1 plus 0 gives us 1. Example 2. Compute binary 11111 plus binary 1011. 11111 plus 01011. 1 plus 1 gives us 0 carrying 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 1 carry 1. 1 plus 0 gives us 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 1 carry 1. 1 plus 0 gives us 0 and 1.
Okay, now we shall learn how to subtract binary numbers. The rules given in the table must be followed to perform binary subtraction. A minus B gives C. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 1 gives 0. And 0 minus 1 will give 1.
With a borrow taken from next place. That is 10 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, students, note that the number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from 0. That is
1, 0
minus 1 is equal to 1. Example 1. Compute binary 1100 minus binary 11. Subtracting binary 1010 from binary 1111, we get binary 1010. Example 2.
Compute 1111 into 2 minus 1010 into 2.
If we subtract binary 11 from binary 1100, we get 1 with borrow, 0 with a borrow, 0 and 1.
Let us now find out how binary numbers are multiplied. The rules for performing multiplication using binary numbers are same as that of decimal numbers. The given table illustrates the multiplication of two binary digits.
Example 1. Compute binary 101 multiplied by binary 11. 101 multiplied by 11. 1 into 1 gives 1, 1 into 0 gives 0, and 1 into 1 gives 1. Again, 1 into 1 gives 1, 1 into 0 gives 0, and 1 into 1 gives 1. Now adding, 1 plus 0 gives us 1, 0 plus 1 gives 1, 1 plus 0 gives 1 and 1. Example 2. Compute binary 1111 multiplied by binary 101. 1111 multiplied by 101. 1 into 1 gives 1, 1 into 1 gives 1, 1 into 1 gives 1, 1 into 1 gives 1. 0 into 1 gives 0, 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 and the last 1 into 1 gives 1, 1 into 1 gives 1, 1 into 1 gives 1, 1 into 1 gives 1. Now adding, we get 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 1 carry 1, 0 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. Carry 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1.
A into B gives C. 0 into 0 will be 0. 0 into 1 will be 0. 1 into 0 will be 0. And 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, now let us find out how binary numbers are divided. The method to perform division of two binary numbers is same as that of decimal numbers. See the example given below.
Example 1. Compute binary 110 divided by binary 10. Dividing binary 110 by binary 10, we get quotient 1 and remainder 0, 1. For the next division, our dividend is binary 0, 1, 0. Dividing this by binary 1, 0, we get quotient 1 and remainder 0. Example 2. Compute binary 10000111 divided by binary 1001. Division of binary 10000111 by binary 1001 gives us quotient 1110 and remainder 0000.
Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. The commonly used number system is decimal number system with the base 10. The binary number system consists of two digits, that is 0 and 1, and has the base 2. You can perform arithmetical operations on binary numbers. The octal number has the base 8. The hexadecimal number has the base 16.